Hello everyone, and welcome to my first Battlecast video. And today I'm going to talk about the Crash Fever collab units. They were only available for no time, and now they're not available anymore. You were too late. Let's talk first about Hurtful Happy 100 or Happy 100. The base cost is 480 or I don't know. And she has no actual targets. And let's see I use Gaming Origins for hack, but now I'm going to search for her stats. I'm going to search by reducing the cost. Let's just wait. No, it take a long time. It will take long, so be patient. Oh, found her. Okay, here's our statistics. She has 400 HP. She has 3 knockbacks, and she moves at 20 speeds along with dealing 50 damage. And she has 1200 range. Not that bad, but could be better. She does take quite a bit long to recharge, but she's quite spammable. Looking for like slightly weak ranged attacker. Just like she can kill your small peon. Now I'm going to show you her in the battlefield. Well, and in this case we're going to have a outbreak in Spain. So okay. That's okay. As you see, she's clearing all the crocos. But she cannot kill the Zerocos, which makes her pretty bad. Well, let's just leave the stage. In general, she could be better. She's not recommended. For collection, you can have her to hack. But for playing, not the best choice. Okay, now let's talk about Belial. Here's what a Belial. Okay. Let's just find this. Oh, it was quick. The damage. Wow. Not big choice here. Yes. Free. Yes, free choice. So, here is the choice. He does get stronger after being damaged, but still not the best choice. But still not that bad for collab. But I've seen better, way better. I'm going to show you the battlefield. But it seems that we have also. He's pretty expensive, 1,200 to be exact. But let's see his cost. Oh, 1,800. Not that bad, but can be. I'm going to spawn him once. Wow, okay. I underestimated him. He can decimate in some enemies, but not that big of a deal. He has quite some big range. Not the best. Could be better. Okay. In general, Belial is not that bad, but can be better. Now for Mobius. She is an anti-red. She has knockback and the brr. I'll try to find the red stage. Oh yeah, remember Western Street. Let's do this. I'm going to go running. I'm going to check if there's. Okay, Rodeo Night. This is the first stage that GK Banban appears in 1 star. I forgot to find the cost for Mobius for the stats for Mobius. Her speed is not that bad, and she does have. I think that she has a re-attack, but she's slow. This piggy is above. Oh, well, due to the fact that I'm maxed her out to level 50 plus 70, she is very powerful. Let's see against GK Bun Bun. Yeah, she has knockback. Wow. Well, his DPS is too high. His DPS is way too high, but he can still manage to knock back him. Oh, well, the second Mobius that I spawned. Okay, no problem. Her knockbacks and her HP. Her HP is that her damage doesn't look that bad. That's what it is. So, this is my first video. Sorry if it's really short for Battlecast video, but it's not showcasing some levels. So, see you next time, and still have a great day.